The forecast for jobs and skills and the crisis that we're currently experiencing around numbers is likely to continue for the next decade. So that means that we've really got to lean into our digital skills toolbox to be able to look for and find efficiencies and improvements that we can make in our workplaces. And that's the whole point of this digital skilling program. We would love to see our region become one of the most digitally fluent regions in Australia.
100% do it. Because you can think, I come into the program very hesitant around using AI. I'm actually quite scared of it. Well, I was, I'm not anymore. And it's just incredible what resources are available through it and how much it can actually help you to manage your own business. Yeah, I've got imposter syndrome for sure because it has just taken my work from one level to the absolute next. It's been a real game changer.
The efficiency has improved dramatically because I now have a schedule of what I need to do and when I need to do it. So Tracy Sheen has helped me schedule posts, what to post, when to post, and how often to post. So that was really important because it then sets me up for the week.
The potential out there is just, I don't think it's going to end. Every month more and more tools are becoming available to us, and I think we need to be able to grab what works for us just to make life easier.
Highly recommend it to any business, not-for-profit program as well, because you will learn so much from your facilitator and from the other businesses involved in it.